You would never guess where he had a body piercing. Like, for those of you who don't know Jason well.
Damon's name here. Jamie related.
No Ragrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
I've wanted a tattoo forever. I think since I was 20, before I graduated, I wanted to get a tattoo. After I graduated, work, came back to Hong Kong, I completely forgot about it.
Why did you want to get a tattoo though?
It's cool.
You really don't come across as like someone that wants a tattoo. And he wants like body piercings too, which is kind of weird. You would never guess where he had a body piercing. Like, for those of you who don't know Jason well, have a guess where he had a body piercing before.
No, the ear is too simple. Not the nose. That one. No, it was the belly button. When I got it, I was kind of lean, so it kind of worked. I'm still kind of lean now, so if I was to get it back, yeah, it would still work.
Yeah, I could never have guessed. Yeah, it was kind of weird because of all places he gets a belly button ring.
But where would you get one as a guy, other than your ear or your nose or your nipple?
Just not get one!
What I'm thinking now is, I want Damon's name here, underneath the collarbone, so when I'm wearing a shirt you can't see it. And then maybe on the side here, something
Ooh,
Jamie related. And then maybe, somewhere, I'll still save a spot for Sarah, maybe on my thigh.
I don't need a spot, thanks.
You need a spot?
No, I feel like if you have my name or anything related to me on your body, I feel like people will think, dude, like, did your wife make you get this tattoo or something? I'm totally against that, like, yeah.
It's a bit weird though, because usually people who get tattoos do it because they want it. Very few people think like you do. I don't think Victoria Beckham asked David for, wait, I need my name on your
Maybe
body.
they did. I've heard lots and lots of stories where like
Oh, really?
couples are madly in love. Oh, let's get a tattoo, I'll get my name on your body and stuff like that. And then like, yeah, I don't want that.
Anything that I do because I want to.
Yeah.
In Hong Kong, I've seen a lot of people tattoo poems, lyrics from songs, and that kind of works as long as the calligraphy is done okay. The other way around, I've seen on the internet some really ridiculous tattoos of kind of things that look like Chinese characters that were messed up.
I like how you said kind of things that look like Chinese characters because they do, but they're not.
I'm looking at the picture thinking, is that Chinese or is it Korean or is it Japanese?
Or a made-up word.
It just looks really bizarre. Stemming from our own interest in tattoos, this is more like a warning for those of you who want a Chinese tattoo because, yeah, it's not that simple.
Yes.
The most ridiculous out of this lot here, besides this ugly looking tiger, which looks like a picture drawn by Damon.
Is that a real tattoo or just like a kid's drawing? Yeah, it's a very friendly tiger.
This is really offensive to the person who actually got this tattoo. Apologies, but it's a very ugly Chinese word. Okay. That's the wife who got the tattoo, right?
Are you asking me if this back belongs to a guy or a girl?
Because if you were to tattoo this and then to also translate it in case you couldn't recognise the character.
I have to say, both the English and Chinese
And the flowers.
Yeah, and the flowers. Even the flowers don't look like they're well done.
The wife character is missing a good many strokes, so it doesn't look like the word wife. It looks like a rectangle with the word woman underneath. I always say, if you're going to do a Chinese tattoo, don't choose some font from the computer and do it, but in this case, I'd rather this lady have chosen some computer font. At least the character would look like the Chinese word. So this one, let's excuse the bad calligraphy, because it's not very nice. It says harmony, upside down, love, and loyalty. And even the love, the strokes are a bit, just a bit off.
Yeah.
The top one should
Very
be
off.
flat, and then in the bottom, the character love is written like this, and not like this.
And proportion's very important too. They've just gotten the proportions all wrong. with writing Chinese characters, like the proportion is very important. I'm sure he likes it. No regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Let's look at David Beckham's, okay? He should have gotten the best tattoo artists and calligraphers to kind of design out his tattoo, right?
Yeah, it's nice looking. The canvas is pretty, proportions are nice.
So would this be a demonstration of what you want on the side of your body? Like
It is.
something
If you have
similar?
a long line of words down here, Jamie related. I think a lot of these Chinese character tattoos are just funny. This one is, in case you forgot, it wasn't a sticker or some sort. It says, this is a tattoo
Yes.
with a pirate sign.
Which is completely not related, but I do have to give them.
I'm sure all pirates have a tattoo.
I don't know. Okay, the image itself and the 4 characters have nothing in common. Yeah, I just don't get it. Why do you need to write this is a tattoo as if you're gonna forget? It doesn't come off.
This is the lady who often forgets what she wants at the takeaway. So when she goes into the shop, what will it be today, Susan? I'll have the sweet and sour pork, the chicken chow mein.
Is this the same person? Can I ask?
I think it must be the
Oh,
same
okay. I was like thinking, why are all these girls getting the same stuff on their body? Like, okay, so she likes sweet and sour chicken, beef fried noodles, egg fried rice, and
chicken.
chicken.
I think the last one, they ran out of ink. Gai cow, it's just chicken, like lumps of chicken or pieces of chicken. Usually it's chicken, noodles, chicken and vegetables. Gai cow by itself is just chicken.
Maybe those are favorite foods. There's a lot of protein and carbs there. It's healthy.
It's a very full diet.
Yeah, well balanced diet.
She's got, she's in shape for now. Sarah's going to take you to the tattoo studio and get the triangle on her ankle and on her neck here.
No, I don't think I'm game enough to get a tattoo. Margot Robbie does tattoos on the bottom of her cast's foot.
Oh, she does smiley faces.
Yeah. If Margot Robbie does my tattoo, I'll get one on the bottom of my foot.
Does
Or
your
maybe
tattoo?
Chris Hemsworth.
What? If she does the tattoo for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Or maybe Gong Yu, but he doesn't do tattoos. Otherwise, I'm not getting one. Or if Jason wants to do on the bottom of my foot, he can.